the RV for a test drive. Everything was working, and all of a sudden I end up having that I don't have any cameras. They went off on me. So I'm gonna see what's going on and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I disconnected the camera, the 360-degree cameras, because it's glitching and it went off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to check it out. I gotta get off the glove compartment, of course. We'll have access to the unit and test it again and see what's happening. However, we took the ride also to check how the AC will perform, and it's doing great. However, it's not enough. We need to come and find a solution. I'm sure that the back is nice because of the unit underneath the couch. In here is not that we're suffering, but I can feel the heat. The AC is not really refreshing us as it should. Don't take me wrong, guys. It is nice compared to zero AC, sure, but I'm sure that it could be better. It will definitely could be better. So we'll see what we can do to improve it, and we'll get back to you guys with more on the renovation. Alright, after coming back from a test drive where we finally find out that we have some issues with the 360-degree camera, we came back to do what we came to do initially, which is walls. And as you guys can see here, we're working on making sure all the parts that are going to be covered by the kitchen cabinet and the refrigerator, the walls in the back, are set. With that being said, the upper door is covered and secured. Everything is screwed, so we know where the screws are going to be, where they're going to be positioned. So we're going to mark them, and we're going to start cutting this piece just to be able to install it. So we have work to do, and we'll get back to you guys as soon as this is done. So great progress. Let's get to work, and we'll see you guys later. All right, we just cut our first bottom wall, so we're gonna go out and test it, see how it goes, and we'll get back to you guys when that is done. Alright, we were able to install the wall underneath on the driver's sides. We gotta do some small cuts just to make it fit on the upper corner and on the bottom, but nothing big. Something we will be able to correct when we get the main phone. Now on the bottom we need to do some adjustments. It was hard to put it on the bottom, but it fits. However, I can see that we need to cut just a little bit just to make it fit perfectly, but not much. And we're gonna be doing that shortly. So success on this area. Let's move to the next one and we'll get back to you guys. The extra cable has been disconnected, the wires has been secure, and we're going to proceed to put this panel here to make sure that this wall also is covered. We'll get back to you guys. Yes, we finally got the final measurement for the wall on the right. The wall on the left fit perfectly. Some adjustment needs to be made on the bottom on that one, but the one on the right, all we need to do is a small cut, a little bit shorter, and we'll be in great shape. So we're gonna get on it right away and we'll get back to you guys. Alright, the guts are done. It's time for installation, and we'll get back to you guys when it's done. That is a beautiful sight. Wall number 1 in position. Perfect. And we'll get back to you guys with that one. So we're gonna do that one now. Alright. Wall number 2 in position. And that is a beautiful sight. So I'm gonna put back the bed there, and I will continue with those extras to cut some of the floor of the roof areas that need to be put together, and we'll get back to you guys later.